All right, get in position. You want your feet straight. I want you to find something with a hard surface in the house. If you need balance, you can hold on to something with 2 fingers, okay? That way you don't move around. If you don't need to balance with something, that's better. So here we go. I want your feet perfectly straight. We're going to lift one of them up because we're doing a single leg calf raise. Go ahead, come up. I want you to push with the ball of your foot, okay? Don't push with the outer part, the ball of the foot. You're going to come all the way up. Then I want you to go down about 1 centimeter off of the floor. Then shoot right back up and squeeze. Keep that knee slightly bent, okay? If you don't, it can put pressure on the lower back. We want it slightly bent, not moving around, not bending back and forth. Breathe in on the way down, blow out on the way up. Keep your chest up, look nice and straight.